Hello, this is Dr. Bo Ellis, and I have a Wave Pro here. And as some of you may know, vibrational technology accelerates neuromuscular growth and development. What that means is you'll get better results faster. Okay? Now you can do a variety of different exercises on here. I'm going to run through a beginner exercise for the inner thigh, and then an intermediate and advanced hamstring exercise. Now you can add weight by using dumbbells. You can use the straps that are provided, or you can use tubing, any type of elastic, or ankle weights, and so forth. Okay? So let me start with the beginning exercise, and that's with the thigh. Of course, if you're not used to the machine, this is usually where you start. 1 foot on and 1 foot off. That way you can get used to the vibration, and you don't have to worry about losing your balance, okay? And hurting yourself. So I have it set for 30 seconds for one set and 35 hertz at low amplitude. And all the exercises are going to stay at that level. If you want to increase the intensity, you can increase the frequency. And you can also increase the amplitude to make the exercises more challenging. So here we go. So this is for the inner thigh. So you're going to straighten your leg out, and then you're just going to bend onto this leg, and then with this, the right leg here, I'm going to pull myself back up towards the plate. So I'm going to go down, and I'm pulling with my inner thigh. Okay, nice and smooth, squatting down, and pulling my weight this way using my leg, my right leg. So down and pull. A couple more seconds, down and pull. So notice my feet are past shoulder width, and when I go over to this leg, I'm getting my shoulder, my knee, and my foot in alignment. Okay? It's always good to have knee bend throughout the whole exercise. Once you get a little more advanced, you can straighten your knees if you want to, and just change the angulations to get more muscle worked. All right, so let's go to the hamstring. And this is an intermediate exercise, so we're going to have both feet on the plate. And just so you can see me, I'm going to face this direction. And basically you can do a stretch with this, or you can do an exercise with this. You can use dumbbells, you can do a bar to add a little bit extra weight. But basically what you're going to do is stretch the hamstring, go all the way down, keep a little bit of bend in your knee, and then just go down and hold it for a second, and then you're going to come right back up. If you have weights and you want to hold the weights and go down with the weights, you can do that. You can straighten your knees if you want to, if you're advanced and you already know what you're doing. So here we go, 30 seconds at 35 hertz, low amplitude. Nice and smooth, nice and controlled, all the way down to where it feels comfortable. You don't want to hurt yourself. You're going to come right back up. And back down again. Nice and smooth, controlled movements. You can have your feet shoulder width apart. You can have them together. It's not going to change the angulation all that much. Now you can just do a hamstring stretch as well on the biplate. That'll help you stretch faster, get better results quicker. Okay, so this one is a little bit more of it's the advanced hamstring. I don't think it's all that difficult. It's an isometric exercise. You'll be doing one hamstring at a time, and you'll be using straps. Like I mentioned before, you can use exercise tubing, you can use ankle weights, things like that to increase the difficulty. You don't even have to use a strap. You can just use your own balance on one leg. So I'm going to open this up as wide as it goes, stick my foot in there, I'm going to slide this up so this doesn't come off, and I'm going to get a good little distance here where I can stick my leg back a little bit. And when I start the machine, I'm going to put my body weight forward a little bit, and I'm going to push back with my leg. And I'm just going to contract that and hold it for the 30 seconds. Here we go. So now I'm just balancing on my own. I can grab the bar if I want to, stabilize a little bit more. If you want to do more advanced technique and you can do this, then just use your body weight. If you want to add It's a neurological cross crawl, and you can do that too. And just hold this position. It's a little more challenging with the vibration, which is good. And you just contract that hamstring and push that leg back. And just keep pushing it back. And 30 seconds, especially after you've been doing a few exercises, sure seems like a lot. And you can do more than one set. You don't have to just stick with one. You can do 3, you can do 6 if you want. You'll get more results with the more sets that you do up to a certain point. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe, click like, share this with your friends, and watch a few more videos. Thank you. God bless you.